Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I do my skin toner at home DIY. You can do it in the convenience of your kitchen, girl. You don't have to go buy all these expensive $2,000 skin toners. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? This one has been working for me for years, and I just wanted to share with you guys. A skin toner is a purifying liquid that helps you rejuvenate your skin. It also have a lot of other benefits, such as cleansing your skin. It restores the pH balance on your face. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles. It reduces appearances of pores. It keeps out impurities like dirt. It also hydrates your skin. It prevents ingrown hairs. It reduces acne and blackheads, and it also evens out your skin tone. So the first ingredient I use is aloe vera gel. I use aloe vera gel because it has antioxidants, enzymes, and vitamin A and C, which fight against acne. For some reason, I break out more than even when I was a teenager. Now as an adult, I don't know why. Maybe because I have much stress and much things to think about, but I break out a lot more. So using this toner helps. Next ingredient is lemon or lime. I use lemon or lime because they both contain vitamin C. It's also an antioxidant that help reduce damage or premature aging. So if you feel like your skin is like aging a little bit, or if you have like wrinkles on your neck or anything like that, you can use this toner to also tone that down. Lemon or lime also controls the pH balance levels on your face. It reduces inflammation. It is also an antifungal ingredient, which can also clean out any dirt from your face, from like residues from makeup or anything you apply from your face like the previous night. Using lemon or lime also fights skin breakouts like acne, pimples, blackheads, and it also cleans and cleanses out all the dirt that might be on your face. That's all you need, guys. Just 2 ingredients. I blend them together and then I use them every time I am doing my skincare routine at night. I love using this, and it makes my skin so like, oh my god, so soft. Like if you try this, let me know, comment down below and let me know how you feel about it. At night, I wash my face as I usually do, and then I apply this toner. When I apply the toner, I also wait for like maybe 20 to 30 minutes just for it to sit on my face so all the benefits can go in my skin. Then I wash it off. As you can see, my skin is looking amazing. Oh my gosh, guys, try this at home. I promise you. Like, let me know how you feel about it. I always just apply baby oil on my face at night because I don't like to just do like too much, because I've already like done too much to my face. So I like to just apply, baby oil, something mild, something, simple, just so that my face is a little bit hydrated and I don't feel dry, because I have really, really dry skin. So yeah, that completes this video. If you try this at home, comment down below. Let me know. I want to talk. I want to have a conversation. Let me know, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Subscribe to my subscribe to my channel. Turn on your post notification. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine.